In this video, I am about to show you how to change the background of Leonardo.Ai. First, open your Google Chrome browser and type Leonardo.Ai into the search bar. Press enter to view the search results. Now click on the first link that appears to take you directly to the Leonardo.Ai website. Once you're on the website, look for the button that says Get Started and click on it. This will guide you to the main dashboard where you can access all of Leonardo.Ai's features. Next, locate the library option on the left side of the dashboard and click on it. This section holds all your uploaded and saved images. After that, browse through your images and select any one of them by clicking on it. This will open the image in a larger view. Now look for three dots located below the image. Click on these dots to reveal a menu with several options. From the menu, choose Remove Background. A notification will appear indicating that your background removal request is being processed. Once the background removal is complete, find the downward arrow below the image and click on it. Set the option to Original to view the edited image with the background removed. Now you can see that the background has been successfully removed, leaving you with just the main subject of the image. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.